Hi! In today's video, we'll talk about words related to weddings. To pop the question is a common idiom which means to ask someone to marry you. For example, two friends could be talking about a romantic evening organized by their partner, and one could ask the other, "So, did he pop the question then?" Maybe your friends don't want a big wedding but prefer to elope, meaning to leave home secretly to get married. This way, they won't spend much money or time. Let's see it in a phrase. In the novel, she eloped with an army officer. But let's say your friends decide to have a traditional wedding. Before the big day, there will probably be a stag party for the men and a hen party for the women to say goodbye to single life. So you might hear, "Are you going to Michelle's hen party?" Or, "We're meeting at David's house for the stag party." After the wedding, many couples leave to go on a honeymoon. A honeymoon is a holiday taken by a couple immediately after their marriage. Let's look at the word in context. Where are you going on your honeymoon? Now, over to you. Do you know anyone who eloped? Have you ever been to a stag party or a hen party? Tell us about it in the comments and I'll catch you in the next video.